who has been appointed as the new Director General of the National Investigation Agency? Correct option is A. Rakesh Agrawal. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Border Security Force? Correct option is B. Praveen Kumar. Who was sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Manipur on 4th February? Correct option is D. Yamnam Khemchand Singh. Who took oath as the 53rd Chief Justice of India on 24th November? Correct option is D. Justice Surya Kant. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of Niti Aayog in February? Correct option is C. Nidhi Chibba. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police? Correct option is B. Shatrujit Singh Kapoor. Who has been appointed Principal Secretary Second to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Correct option is D. Shaktikanta Das. Who was appointed as the Chairman of the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board in January? Correct option is C. A.K. Balasubramanian. Who was sworn in as the 40th Chief Justice of the Kerala High Court on 10th January? Correct option is B. Justice Saumin Sen. Who became the youngest national president of the Bharatiya Janata Party in January? Correct option is A. Nitin Nabeen. Who has become the new chairperson of the Badminton World Federation Athletes Commission? Correct option is B. P.V. Sindhu. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Information Commissioner of India? Correct option is A. Rajkumar Goyal. Who was elected as the 15th Vice President of India in September? Correct option is C. C.P. Radhakrishnan. Who assumed charge as the new Director General of the National Cadet Corps? Correct option is C. Virendra Vats. Who became the first woman Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court in January? Correct option is B. Justice Revati Prashant Mohitedia. Who has been appointed as an Executive Director of the Reserve Bank of India in October? Correct option is A. Sonali Sengupta. Who has been appointed as the new Chairman of the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs? Correct option is B. Vivek Chaturvedi. Who has recently been appointed as the Executive Director of the International Monetary Fund? Correct option is A. Urjit Patel. Who has been elected as the new President of the Board of Control for Cricket in India? Correct option is C. Mithun Manhas. Who has recently been appointed as the Director General of Railway Protection Force? Correct option is D. Sonali Mishra. Who has been appointed as the 29th Director General of the Border Roads Organization in January? Correct option is B. Harpal Singh. Who has recently been appointed as the new Director of Vikram Sarabhai Space Centre? Correct option is D. R. Rajarajan. Who has been appointed as the Chairman of the Indian Space Research Organisation? Correct option is D. V. Narayanan. Who has recently been appointed as the Vice President and Chief Risk Officer of the BRICS New Development Bank? Correct option is C. Rajiv Ranjan. Who has been appointed as the new Chairman and Managing Director of the Food Corporation of India? Correct option is B. Rabindra Kumar Agrawal. Who has been appointed the head coach of the senior men's national football team? Correct option is B. Khalid Jamil. Who has recently been appointed as the next Secretary of Research and Analysis Wing? Correct option is A. Parag Jain. Who was recently appointed as the Chairman of the Fertilizer Association of India? Correct option is D. Sailesh C. Mehta. Who has recently been appointed as the Director of the Intelligence Bureau in India? Correct option is C. Tapan Kumar Deka. Who has been elected as the president of International Big Cat Alliance in June? Correct option is D. Bhupendra Yadav. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Union Public Service Commission? Correct option is A. Dr. Ajay Kumar. Salim Ahmed has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of which organization? Correct option is C. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. Who was recently appointed as the managing director and CEO of Union Bank of India? Correct option is B. Ashish Pandey. Who has taken charge as the 29th Controller General of Accounts of India? Correct option is D. TCA Kalyani. Who is the first woman cricketer to be appointed as the president of the Indian Cricketers Association? Correct option is D. Shanta Rangaswamy. Who is the current chairman of the Defence Research and Development Organization? Correct option is B. Dr. Samir V. Kamath. Who has been appointed as the president of the BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry? Correct option is A. Harvansh Chawla. Who assumed office as the Secretary of the Department of Telecommunications on 1st January? Correct option is A. Amit Agrawal. Who was sworn in as the 47th Chief Justice of the Patna High Court on 7th January? Correct option is B. Justice Sangam Kumar Sahu. Who has been appointed as the president of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? Correct option is C. Zhou Jiai. Who has recently been reappointed as the director of Central Bureau of Investigation? Correct option is D. Praveen Sood. Who has recently been appointed as the first woman vice-chancellor of the Indira Gandhi National Open University? Correct option is B. Uma Kanjilal. Who has recently been appointed as the private secretary of PM Narendra Modi? Correct option is C. Nidhi Tiwari. Who has recently appointed as the new CEO of International Cricket Council? Correct option is A. Sanjog Gupta. Who has been appointed as the executive chairperson of the National Legal Services Authority? Correct option is C. Justice Suryakant. Who is the current governor of the Reserve Bank of India? Correct option is A. Sanjay Malhotra. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of National Highways Authority of India? Correct option is D. Santosh Kumar Yadav. Who was appointed as the Vigilance Commissioner in the Central Vigilance Commission in January? Correct option is C. Praveen Vashista. Who took charge as the new Chief Election Commissioner of India? Correct option is C. Gyanesh Kumar. Who was appointed the new president of the Asian Development Bank? Correct option is A. Masato Kanda. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the National Financial Reporting Authority? Correct option is B. Nitin Gupta. Who has been reappointed as the chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes? Correct option is D. Ravi Agrawal. Who has been nominated by President Draupadi Murmu as the executive chairman of the National Legal Services Authority? Correct option is C. Justice Vikram Nath. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India? Correct option is B. Ajay Seth. Who has been appointed as the Securities and Exchange Board of India? Correct option is D. Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Who has become the head of the National Security Advisory Board? Correct option is A. Alok Joshi. Who assumed charge as the first ever woman Chief Secretary of Odisha on 1st January? Correct option is B. Anu Garg. Who has been appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director of the Food Corporation of India? Correct option is C. Ashutosh Agnihotri, who has been appointed as the 9th chairperson of the National Commission for Women by the Union Government. Correct option is D. Vijaya Kishore Rahatkar, who are currently serving as the Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India. Correct option is E. All of the above: Shirish Chandra Murmu, Poonam Gupta, Swaminathan Jankirman, and Ravi Shankar, who has been elected as the new President of the Athletics Federation of India. Correct option is A. Bahadur Singh Sagu, who has recently assumed the position of Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Indian Bank. Correct option is B. Binod Kumar, who has been appointed as the Secretary General of the Indian Ocean Rim Association. Correct option is A. Sanjeev Ranjan, who has become the first woman and the first African to be elected as President of International Olympic Committee. Correct option is C. Kirsty Coventry, who has recently been elected for a third consecutive term as President of the Boxing Federation of India. Correct option is D. Ajay Singh, who has been appointed as the Chairperson of the 23rd Law Commission of India. Correct option is A. Justice Dinesh Maheshwari, who has become the first woman to assume charge as the member of the Airports Authority of India. Correct option is B. Nivedita Dubey, who has been appointed as the Director General of the Narcotics Control Bureau. Correct option is B. Anurag Garg, who has been appointed as the Director General of Central Reserve Police Force. Correct option is C. Gyanendra Pratap Singh, who has been appointed as the new Chairperson of the National Medical Commission. Correct option is B. Abhijat Sheth, who has been appointed as the Director General of Sashastra Seema Bal. Correct option is A. Sanjay Singh, who was appointed as the Chief Justice of the Uttarakhand High Court in January. Correct option is B. Justice Manoj Kumar Gupta, who has been appointed as the Director of the Enforcement Directorate. Correct option is C. Rahul Naveen, who has been re-elected as the President of the Kho-Kho Federation of India. Correct option is C. Sudhanshu Mittal, who is appointed as the Director of National Crime Records Bureau. Correct option is D. Alok Ranjan, who was reappointed as the Attorney General of India in September. Correct option is C. R. Venkatramani, who was appointed as the Chairperson of the 8th Central Pay Commission in October. Correct option is B. Justice Ranjana Prakash Desai, who has been appointed as the new Chairman and Managing Director of GAIL India Limited. Correct option is A. Deepak Gupta,